Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you a simple recipe that you can do using canned ham on your Traeger 575. Stay tuned. Alright, so today I'm going to show you a simple recipe. It's going to be really easy. Something you can do at home when you're being quarantined like we are now. I know this time is it's just a weird time for everybody, but we got to make the best of it. And I'm going to show you this alternative because sometimes, especially right now, it's really hard to find things at the grocery store, and so you may need to stock up on certain things. And one of the things that you can do to help stock up on certain things is to buy canned meat. Now I know it's not very popular today, but times like this, you may need to think about using canned meat. So I'm going to use this canned ham to make a smoked ham salad, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I've got the Traeger Pro 575 preheating to 185 degrees. Now this ham is already pre-cooked. You can eat it right out of the can. But we're going to put it on the Pro 575 and get a little smoke on it. And then I'll show you what we're going to do with it after we take it off of the Traeger. But first, we need to open up this can. Let's do that. Now I'm going to take this butter knife and just slide it around the edge just to loosen it up from the can. Now don't let the appearance of this canned ham fool you and convince you not to try it. I'm telling you, it's going to be good. And I'm just going to drop it onto this wire rack, just like that. And we're going to get some smoke on it. But first I'm going to hit it with a little Whiskey Bent Barbecue old-fashioned dry rub. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. And that's about it. And we're going to put it on the Traeger for, I don't know, maybe an hour, just to let it get a little bit of smoke. Now this canned ham is good right out of the can. The benefits of having canned meat is that this can, for example, is good through 2025. That's why it's good to have canned meat in your pantry. So let's get it on the Traeger. Set it right there in the middle. All right, we've been letting our canned ham go on the smoker for about an hour at 185 degrees. Now we're fixing to take it off and make this ham salad. All right, now here's our ham that's been on the smoker for 1 hour. Now we're going to put it in a bowl. And we're just going to kind of chop it up a little bit, break it up. Until it's about like chopped ham. All right, now that's kind of what you want it to look like after you've broken the ham up. And in this bowl, I've got about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, probably about a tablespoon of mustard, and a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of sweet pickled relish. It's to your taste, really. It doesn't have to be exact. And I'm going to put all of that into the bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the old-fashioned rub from Whiskey Bent Barbecue. Not too much, you don't want it to overpower everything, and now just mix everything up. You can dip it with crackers. You can put it on white bread or any kind of bread you like, make sandwiches out of it. So many different things you can do with it. I'll give it a little taste right here. That's perfect. Great ham salad. Give it a little drizzle of the old fashioned on top, and it's good to go. Do not knock canned meat. Give it a try. Until next time, we'll be piddling. Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe you can use. Piss. Ready? Not bad.